Alright. Minute 3. My computer not working. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, man. I don't know if I can fucking survive this shit anymore, man. Black screen, man. It's fucking black screening me. Oh, you're not breaking on me, you piece of shit. No. I won't allow you to break on me. Especially you, hard drive, because you've been kind of fucked up. Don't you dare continue being black, you fuck. Don't you dare send me into a fucking rage. I cannot financially afford your replacement, and that means fuck me. That's what that means.